Stroup right side temp repair or repair attempt. The roof is covered in moss. Once the moss is growing, the shingle's already no longer repairable. But I am performing the repair test for you. Broken tab here, I can see the felt. This paper, easily torn, water's coming in. Broken seal, sealed, unsealed, sealed, unsealed, sealed. Seal came apart easily. Checking for mat transfer and fasteners. This, as soon as I just lifted this high, I could feel that the shingle, I heard it and I could feel that the shingle is brittle and the asphalt broke. I could see a mark right here a little starting to perform, but this tab is no good. Now I'll take photos. You see the creasing right there. The nail is punctured through. Nail is punctured through on that one. And the nail just went through this one. The shingle just went right through the nail. The nails are now underneath the shingle. I will try the next row. This row of nails, the nails are rusted. The next row of nails, it's not rusted. The shingle is tearing all around the nail. The shingle just went right through. Shingle just went through again. This shingle went through and the shingle tore. I'll take a picture. I can't repair this side. Both shingles do not have rust, but you can see the matting on there surrounding the shingle is stuck to the nail and it's torn. Okay, I have to pause the video. My hammer fell off the roof.